it's Charlton. Please subscribe to my channel, tap that notification bell, and like this video. That does help me keep making videos, and I would appreciate it majorly. So, this video is totally awesome. At least I think it's amazing. I can't believe it. So this guy gets bit in the face by a snake, and it gets caught on like one of those Ring doorbell video cameras. And I mean, it just catches it right in the act. He immediately freaks out, says, "Take me to the hospital," because he just got bit in the face by a pretty big snake. There's three videos, and then they show, another individual approaching it and taking a whack at it with a hammer, and then eventually pulling it into the yard and killing it altogether. It turns out it's not a poisonous snake; it's a bull snake, and bull snakes actually have a couple features that, after looking it up, I learned that it resembles like a rattlesnake, and it even makes a sound that actually comes from its mouth that makes it sound like a rattlesnake. So maybe the dude thought that it was a rattlesnake, and that his life was in jeopardy. I think he's going to be okay. He was immediately taken to the hospital, but it totally just absolutely just strikes him right in the face, right in the eye, man. It's incredible, and it's a big snake, man. It's just nuts. So here's the video. I may even kind of just redo the bite over and over, just a couple times, just to kind of see it. So I'm just gonna play, and he's the dude who posted this. It's his father's friend who's just coming over for the day.
Ow! Fuck! Kurt, take me to the hospital. Take me to the hospital. Get that snake. Get that snake. Where? At your mailbox. Right there. Ow! 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 Fuck! Kurt, take me to the hospital. Take me to the hospital.
It's so crazy.
Get that snake. Get that snake.
This video is unbelievable.
Right there.
So then the dude's son, not the dude who got bit, but the dude whose house it is, I think, comes to get the snake, and he explains that it was like hiding in between, the bricklayers. I don't know, like I guess it blended in, and but it's big. It's bigger than the mortar joint for sure. So I don't know. Maybe it was sitting on top of the mailbox. It's huge. You'll see the snake. It's big. It's bigger than what you see when the dude gets bit.
God. Go ahead. Go ahead. Y'all go ahead. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Baby, be careful, man. Y'all go ahead.
So, and there's one more video that shows this.
Hey, I'm telling you, roll over my mailbox. You was stuck between the bricks, the cracks. You that motherfucker. You got to. You got to. Oh my God. Just take me.
So, like I said, it was a bull snake, which is the same as this thing right here, and this dude's explaining all the different things about bull snakes. That it has this feature in its mouth that makes it sound like a rattlesnake, and a lot of people, hunters, think it is, and it's just mimicry. That dude might have thought he just got bit by a rattlesnake and was gonna die. So, but they can get up to 8 feet long, which is a super big size for that. And he's in Texas explaining this, and this is in Lawton, Oklahoma, where it happened. But I don't know, that video just unbelievable for me. I just thought it was awesome video. That's the story there, man. That's the story there. Hold on, let me try something real quick.
Yep.
Look at that, dude.
Ow! Fuck! Kurt, take me to the hospital. Take me to the hospital.
It's crazy. All right, man. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a like down below. I'll see you in the next video. Later, man.